Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a video of two people fighting using AI. So I just generated two pictures of a female and male character using Kung Fu gear. Then I'm just going to add this prompt into Gemini here. Create a scene of the female character running towards female character and the male character from the image above. And then I'm just going to grab those pictures here, and I'm also going to put in the picture of the pose here as well. And then I'm going to press submit. Once that's done generating, you're going to go to open art and you're going to turn that picture into a video. So here you're going to drop the image. I'll just use Kling. You can also add a negative prompt. I don't have enough credits to show you guys, but the prompt you will need for that is just to type in the man and the woman are engaged in a kung fu fight, or you can use some other type of fights you want. Maybe like it's a boxing match, but obviously the prompts will be a little bit different than that. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.